Hello, everybody, and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be doing part 2 of verbs with prepositions followed by gerunds. Okay, so it's going to be similar to the previous lesson that we just saw. So now let's switch over and get our work screen right here. Now, these are a whole new series of verbs with prepositions that we're going to be looking at. They are also followed by gerunds. Let's look at our list of words. Okay, here we go. To warn about, to apologize for, to adapt to adjust to put off, to participate in, to forgive for, to consist of, to take part in, to believe in, to be dedicated to blame for, to look forward to, and to discourage from. So now let's look at these in sentences. Okay, number 1, to warn about. She warned us about jaywalking in the city, but we didn't listen and we each got a ticket. So you see how the gerund is followed by the verb and the preposition. Your travel agent will warn you about traveling without insurance. Number 2, to be dedicated to. She is dedicated to helping the poor and the underprivileged in the city. We have been dedicated to completing this project for the last several months. To participate in. Did you participate in cleaning up the mess downstairs? We both participated in preparing the dinner for our guests. To apologize for. I apologize for interrupting your meeting, but you have an urgent call. He finally apologized for damaging my car when he borrowed it last weekend. To forgive for. I forgive you for lying to me because I understand why you did. Mark never forgave her for doing what she did and saying what she said. You see in the sentence, we have 2 verbs followed by the verb and the preposition, and they're both in the gerund form, doing and saying. To blame for. Who is to blame for making the mess in the kitchen? Everybody blamed me for leaving the gate open. To adapt to. She was self-employed for many years and she is having difficulty adapting to being an employee. The twins are learning to adapt to living separate lives in university. To consist of. My weekends consist of doing laundry and running errands. The exam consisted of selecting the most appropriate answer. To confess to. The thief confessed to robbing the bank with 3 accomplices. Nobody will confess to sending that ambiguous letter. To adjust to. The students are adjusting to taking their classes online. She grew up in a big city and she can't adjust to living in a small town. to take part in. Both families took part in planning the wedding. Everybody will take part in decorating the reception hall as well. To look forward to. I look forward to seeing you there Saturday night. She is looking forward to meeting your parents. To put off. Don't put off studying for your final exam till the last minute. He put off making an appointment at the garage. Now the next available appointment is at the end of the month. To discourage from. She was discouraged from entering the singing contest for obvious reasons. His parents are discouraging him from buying that old house. To believe in. Most people believe in working hard to achieve success in the workplace. She doesn't believe in using pesticides in her apple orchard. And that was part 2 of the exercise. Now, if this video helped you, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like the video. And you can also leave a little comment down below. You can just say hello, you can ask a question, or you can give a suggestion of another video lesson that you would like to see up here, and I'll get to work right on that. But there's a lot more coming for you anyway. Okay. Also, if you want to improve your English quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English. This is the 3rd edition, published by McGraw-Hill and available everywhere, including Amazon, of course. This is a great workbook filled with tons of exercises and lots of new vocabulary words. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. Also, if you're having difficulty with your verb tenses, you can get yourselves a copy of English Verb Tenses. This is a great workbook as well, full of great exercises that will help you to really understand your English verb tenses. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning, also available on Amazon. There are many lessons on my YouTube channel, so you can flip through those. You can choose the ones that you need to work on. There's a lot of pronunciation lessons on there too, so you can go ahead and look at that. Also, I have a new Facebook page. It's called Learn English with Julie Lachance, and I'm putting up lots of stuff, good stuff for you guys over there, so we can meet up over there. For now, I'm going to wish you guys a great evening, and I will see you, you know where, in the next lesson. So good night for now. Goodbye.